Hello, and welcome to another Did You Know screencast. My name is Dan English. I'm a Magenic Senior BI Consultant out of the Minneapolis office. Today we're going to take a look at the new SQL Server 2008 audit feature. The audit feature enables you to audit server and database level groups of events and individual events. You can audit server operations and database actions, such as DML and DDL operations. The results of an audit are sent to a target, which can be a file, Windows Security Event Log, or the Windows Application Event Log. This demonstration is going to be using the February 2008 CTP of SQL Server. And now I'm going to show you how to set up a server and a database level audit. After I've connected my instance, underneath the security folder, I'm going to see a new folder called Audits. This is where I create my audit specification. I give it a name. This is going to be at the server level. I can specify my destination, and I'm just going to output this to a file. I'll put it at the root of the C drive for demonstration. And I can specify maximum rollover files and maximum file size. I can go ahead and enable this. Now I actually create my server audit specification. And I'll specify the audit specification that I just created. And for this one, we're just going to take a look at failed logins. Oops. That is a little bug. For some reason, we have to do it this way. Alright. So now if I go ahead and test this out, do a quick attachment with SA account. I get the failed login. I can see the results of this. Very top line there, we see the action ID of a login failed. And if I scroll over, see the principal name of SA there. And if we scroll all the way over, we'll see the statement. See login failed for user SA. Reason, the password did not match the login provided. That's an example of a server level audit. And now we're going to create a new audit specification. We can track changes to the AdventureWorks. And for this one, we're just going to put this application log. Now if I go up to my database, under security, I'll see a new database audit specification. And we'll set up a couple action types here. We'll do one for select and one for update. And I can select my objects that I want to audit. And for this one, we're just going to do customer table. And I can set up the principles I want to audit. And we're just going to do all of them. And go ahead and enable this. And I have to go down and enable the audit specification. Now I'm connected to my AdventureWorks database. I'll do a select from that table. And we'll do an update. Now I can go ahead and review that log. And you're going to see a few more entries because I did some testing a little earlier. And what I see here is the principal. I'm logged in as administrator right now. And see AdventureWorks, sales schema, the object is the customer table. And I can see I did a, go back over here a little bit, I did a select star from the sales customer table, and then I did an update sales customer territory ID for customer ID. So you can see how we can quickly configure some audits at the server level and the database level. That's all I have for you in regards to the new audit feature. I hope you enjoyed the overview of the new auditing capability in SQL Server 2008, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this screencast.